Hi, I'm gonna do a 3D Max tutorial about edit poly modifier and another modifiers from the modifying list. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna create a box. I'm gonna change the parameters to maybe like 94, 36, and 10. The segments will be 12 by 8 by 2. So first thing first, I'm gonna add an edit poly. And on top of that, I'm gonna add another modifier called Subdivide. If I press S, it will take me to the S modifiers. So you can see, like, now I have like triangles shape. On top of that, I'm gonna add mesh smooth. So you press M, and then this is mesh smooth. I'm gonna change the subdivision method to classic. I'm gonna play with the strings. So if you can see, it's going this way. So I'm gonna do like 1, and it looks like a honeycomb. As you can see, the vertex here doesn't look very well. So I'm gonna add a vertex weld modifier. I'm gonna keep playing with it. I'm gonna adjust the threshold to maybe 2.7. Let's see as much as raise it. No, I don't want all of that. So I think 2.7 would be good. So it's nice and smooth, and my surface is smooth now. Now I'm gonna add edit poly again, and I'm gonna select the polygons. I'm gonna put insert, and I'm gonna adjust the amount to 0.3. Sorry, I need to first select all and then do insert 0.3. Yep. If I'm happy with that, I'll press yes. And I will just do, if I scroll down, I will just see that I will set the material ID to 2, and I will do Control I. I'll make sure my what key is on. Yep, Control I. So I will select the other things, and I'm gonna change it to 1, the other material. I'm gonna get out, and I'm gonna select my object. I'm gonna shift and drag. I'm gonna copy it as a reference. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a modifier called volume select, and I'm gonna choose face. I'm gonna select by material ID. I'm gonna select material ID 2, and yep, yes, material ID. I'm gonna click material ID 2, and I'm gonna add another modifier called delete mesh. So where is it? Delete mesh, and now I have like the other ones. So if you have a look here, I'm pretty happy with that. But what I'm gonna do else, I'm gonna add a shell modifier, shell modifier. I'm gonna change the inner amount to think it's good like that. 0.1. I'm happy with 0.1, 0.1. And on top of that, to make it more smooth, I'm gonna add mesh smooth, this one. I'm gonna change the irritation to 2. make it more smooth. But what I think I'm gonna go for classic. I'm gonna change this one to 1, doesn't matter, it's chamfer. I'm gonna change the strings here to maybe, let's try 1, now maybe 0.4. Yep, yeah, it looks nice. Yep. Okay, it's good like this one. So what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna shift and drag, and I'm gonna copy it as a reference. I'm gonna take all those ones, I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna add them on top of the gray line here, paste. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the material ID to 1. So I use the opposite one. I don't think I need that shell modifier. I think that's good. I'm gonna remove the mesh smooth. I'm gonna press on align. Oops. I'm gonna choose this one, align to this object, and I'm gonna say center to center, X, Y, Z. Okay. All right. I'm happy with that. Gonna turn off the face edges. What I'm gonna do to make it more clearer, and I'm gonna do the color maybe like blue, and the frame I'm gonna make it maybe like gray, and then if I press Alt X, if I choose this one, I press Alt X, so it make it more transparent. But maybe I'll change the color of this one to something more, maybe this one. Okay. Oh, so yep. So yeah, this is the end result. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you.